Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy from Toronto again. I'm here with the A959-B and the A959. As you can see, I've upgraded the wheels, the on-road wheels anyways. The stock wheels are these things, which aren't very good. Definitely not for on-road. They just spin all over the place. Off-road, not so bad, but I still not too into these ones. And off-road, I usually use the A979 or A959-B wheels for my off-roading. But I did get some wheels, and they were dirt cheap. Check these out. $9 US. Alright, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. I mean, you can't beat it. These, a little pricey. These, not so much. But, yeah, $9. Comes rims and tires. And really sticky rubber, and it already has foam in it, so it's all good. And you have to glue them. Hopefully you guys have glue. Go to your nearest hobby store. But that's it. I'm gonna take these for a test and see. Y'all, obviously, did I mention you have to get the hex? It doesn't come with the hex. Those are about $3. I'll leave a link for that also. All right, guys, check them out. Cool. Thanks for watching.